I seek protection in Allah from the accused shaitan. There is no worthy of worship except Allah. He is only one. There are no partners for Him. For He is in the kingdom, and for Him is the process. He gives life and causes death, and He is alive. He is estimable, possessor of majesty, of rewards. In His hand is the goodness, and He is the goodness, and He is on everything powerful. Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessing upon the conveyor of the unseen news, i.e. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O believer, you too send blessing and abundant salutation upon him. Allah names who commends with the most gracious, the most merciful. And the one Allah who made the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a structure, i.e. a shelter, and caused water to come down for the sky, bringing forth some fruit thereby for you to eat. So do not knowingly equate anyone to Allah. And if you have any doubt in that which we have revealed upon His designated bondsman of ours, so bring at last one chapter like it, and call up all your helpers other than Allah, if you are truthful. If you then fail to bring a chapter, and we declare to you that you will never be able to bring even one, so fear that fire whose fuel is human and stone, kept ready for the disbeliever.